we learn how to divide any number by 9 and 8. First, we learn how to divide any number by 9. Let's start with an example like 15. Divide by 9. Write tens digit, 1. We add 1 with unit digit 5 equal to 6. We write 6. So 1 is quotient. And 6 become remainder. Let's start with an example like 47. Divide by 9. We write tens digit, 4. We add 7 with 4 equal to 11. We write 11. 11 is bigger than 9, so we divide again. We write tens digit 1. We add unit digit with 1 equal to 2. We write 2. Now we add 4 plus 1 and get 5. So, we write 5. We write 2 by 9 as it is. So 5 is quotient. Is remainder. Start with new example like 3 digit 227. Divide by 9. We write 100 digit, 2. We add 2 with tens digit number that is 2 equal to 4. We write 4 near 2 because we have 3 digit. Add unit digit 7 plus 4 equal to 11. We write 11. 11 is bigger than 9, so we divide again. Write tens digit 1. We add unit digit that is 1 with 1 equal to 2. We write 2. Add 24 plus 1 equal to 25. Write 25. And we write 2 by 9 as it is. So 25 is your quotient. 2 is your remainder. Now, we learn how to divide any number by 8. Let's start with an example like 11. Divide by 8. We write tens digit, 1. We multiply with 2, because 8 is just 2 less than 10. 2 multiply with 1 equal to 2. Add unit digit 1 with 2 equal to 3. We write 3. 1 is your quotient. 3 is our remainder. Let's start with an example like 39. Divide by 8. We write tens digit, 3. We multiply with 2, because 8 is just 2 less than 10. 2 multiply with 3 equal to 6. We add unit digit 9 with 6 equal to 15. We write 15. 15 is bigger than 8, so we divide again. Write tens digit 1. We multiply with 2, because 8 is just 2 less than 10. We add unit digit 5 with 2 equal to 7. We write 7. We add 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Write 4. We write 7 by 8. Here we get 4 as a quotient. And 7 as remainder.